Hello guys, in the previous video tutorial you have just seen about how to write JavaScript in your web pages. In this tutorial we are going to change something in this code. In this tutorial, if you are going to write alphabets and press OK, it is going to tell you please enter something or whatever you have written in with there. And if you are also writing a number and which is not sufficient, it is also going to give you same error. If you are not going to write something also, it is not going to it is going to give you the same error. That's what confuse the user. So to make a user's work easy, we can make our program much easier for user. So what we have done here, we have written all the if conditions in the same decision making statement. So we have to separate this. So how to separate it? Let me show you. I am just deleting this if, and then for the pin code I am going to write if condition again, and now I am not going to write only one if condition. Okay, so let me zoom first. I have deleted if. I have just left with y variable. Now if, first of all, we are going to check whether our y is blank or not. Y, that is pin code, double is equal to inverted comma open, inverted comma close, and then bracket close, and then curly bracket open, curly bracket close. In between, whatever you will write will be executed when your y is blank. So let us write alert, round bracket open, whatever message you want to give. Now pin code must not be empty, quotes over, inverted comma over, and then round bracket close. And then I want my cursor to go on that particular text box. So I am going to write js1 dot, what is my name of pin code? That is pin code text area, that is pin code dot focus. We are not going to use document as it's an optional, but if you want to write, you can write like this, document dot, but I don't hope so we need it. Okay, now js1 dot pin code dot focus, that means my cursor will go on text, pin code text box. Now I want to tell my script that wait, don't go ahead, because there is an error in my document or web page, return false. That means wait, don't go ahead. So now we have just written this. Now let us go ahead, Control S, go in browser, F5, and here I'm not going to write anything. Okay, it's giving me pin code must not be empty, and now I'm just going to write anything. It will go redirect to another page, but I don't want it. I want to code another. So let us start with another if over here. If y not y, I want to check whether they have entered 6 character or not. So what we can use, y dot length, length not is equal to 6, bracket over and curly bracket open, curly bracket close. Here I am just copying this code and just changing the message, that is pin code must be of 6 digits. So now what will happen, that whenever I am going to write less digits, F5, I am not going to write anything, it will give me pin code must not be empty. Then if I am going to write something, it will give me error that pin code must be of 6 digit. Now left is user must only enter numbers over here. So for that we have to use isNan function, that is if is nan, bracket open, sorry, here there is nothing like that, is then y bracket close, and then we have to close the bracket of if, and then curly bracket open, curly bracket close for if, and then I'm just pasting this code here, and then only changing the pin code must be numeric. Okay, so now when you are not going to write new numbers, it will give you error again, which is also different. So let us go in our if I'm going to write a number but less, or between any alphabet, okay, it will give you pin code must be of 6 digit, and let us make it 6 digit. Then pin code must be numeric because I have written number over here. Even if I'm going to write number ahead, it will give me pin code must be numeric. Any alphabet will not be accepted. It must be only alphabets 395003. Then it will go on a page you have specified in an action attribute. This is how you can give individual errors or individual error box to individual errors. So I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos and keep watching my videos. Thank you.